Hello guys, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to copy your Facebook page link. Okay, you can as well call it your Facebook business page link. So I'll be showing you that in two ways. If you want to know how to copy your Facebook page link, continue watching. The first method we are going to use is the app method. You go to the Facebook app, you tap on it. Once you tap on the app, you go to these three dotted lines, you tap on it. The next, your pages, you tap. So you select the page if you have more than one page. So I'm selecting this page, I tap on it. Okay, so once I tap on it, I'll go to this place that says more. I tap on more. So once I tap on more, I'm going to go down. Then I'm going to see copy page link. Okay, copy page link. Then you tap on it. Copied link. Okay, so we've copied the link. So this is how you can copy your Facebook business page link using the app method. The second method we are going to use is the browser method. So go to Google Chrome browser. You tap on it. Then you type www.facebook.com. So once it opens, you go to these three dotted lines here, you tap on it. Then you go down to the desktop site, you tick on this box here. So once you tick on the box, you go to these three lines here, you zoom and go to these three lines here, then you tap on it. Once you tap on the three lines, you go under pages, then you select the page. So let's zoom back. So once you select the page, you go to more. These three lines here that says more, you can zoom to see more. You tap on more. Then you're going to see show link. Okay, show link. You tap on show link. Facebook says tap and hold the link below to select and copy the address. So this is our Facebook page link address. Okay, you can tap and hold to copy. Okay, let's tap and hold. All right, so once you tap and hold, you're going to see copy. You tap on copy, then you can cancel. So we've copied our Facebook page link using the browser method. So let's go to WhatsApp as usual to send the link to someone. Go to WhatsApp, you tap on WhatsApp, then let's send this link to someone. You tap and hold, then paste. So here is our link. So this is the link we copied. Once you tap on this link, you can open it with any browser. Tap on just once. So guys, this is our page. So it took us directly to our page. Okay, so this is how you can copy your Facebook page link in two ways. Hope you found this video helpful. If it was helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye for now.